sign documents?
Yes, I can
you
sign
order all
documents.
Senate
Yes.
staff?
I can sign documents. So in the absence of a Senate President, I can perform the duties para hindi nahihinto yung administrative issues dito sa Senado. In fact, after nito, kakausapin ko yung Execom para masigurado na tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho natin. No? Kahit gusto namin magtrabaho kung yung support staff ay hindi naman nagpa-function, mahihirapan rin. No?
So basically, sir, lahat ng mandato ng Senate President ay kaya mo pong gawin.
Correct.
Allowed kang
Correct.
gawin.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, but Senator Alan Peter Cayetano said that he's still the legitimate moral Senate President. How are you dealing with that, sir?
Well, kahapon nakita naman natin yung proceedings, no? At nakita natin may quorum, nag-declare ng all seats vacant, pinagbotohan yon, at after that ay bumoto ng mga majority leader, bumoto rin ng Senate President pro tempore, Secretary at Sergeant at Arms. So all the proceedings ay in full view of the public and compliant with our Constitution. And let me acknowledge the presence of Secretary Remulla, and let me thank Secretary Remulla for being physical present dito sa Senado para ma-assure natin na unang-una, ang Senado ay tahimik, orderly, at walang untoward incident na mangyayari. Personally ako humingi ng tulong kay Secretary Remulla para masigurado natin na ang premises ng Senado ay laging protektado at orderly. Pero nababalitaan ko rin kanina papunta dito galing ng nasa sasakyan ako, maraming mga grupo na nag-organize, maraming mga grupo na magra-rally dito. Maraming mga empleyado tayo, no, na medyo kinakabahan. No? So we need to assess the situation.
But meron ng threat